Why can't I find my bank in PrizePicks app? Now, if you cannot find your bank in PrizePicks app, there could be a couple of reasons as to why this is happening. Now, what you can do is you can simply open up your browser, then go to prizepicks.com. Once you go to prizepicks.com, and here you can also see on a help page as to why you cannot find your bank, right? Now, if you are trying to deposit using instant bank transfer through the app or the website, but your bank does not show up, that just means that that particular bank is not accepted by the payment system and you will need to use a different method to deposit funds. You must also understand that PrizePicks do not have connections to all of these banks, which is why they will not be able to regulate each and every bank system over there. So you'll have to be very selective and only choose the ones that PrizePicks offers and that you can deposit and link to. So I hope this video helped you answer your question. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in our next video.